Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Thought. I hope everything is going well. Today in this video, we'll learn about Loft command of AutoCAD. Let's see how we can make a bottle by using Loft command. At first, draw a circle. Copy this circle and paste its sweep position. Again, copy circle and adjust its size. Decrease diameter of circle for smooth surface. Now click Surface, Loft. Select all circles. Then enter. Choose cross section. Let's see another example. Draw a rectangle. Draw a circle. Adjust these rectangles and circle vertically. Choose Loft. Click these three objects drawn. Also, you can control its outer surface, as smooth fit, ruled, and many more. Now see third example, Loft with path. Draw a rectangle. Draw a line. Also draw a circle at the end of line. Rotate circle vertically. Now convert this line in polyline. By Command J, enter. Now right click, Polyline. Spline fit. To make it smooth path. Now by using Loft. Click these both ends. Enter. Now choose Path option. Click on Path line. So friends, you can see the use of Loft command. Please subscribe to my channel. And keep in touch for more information video. Thank you for watching.